Hey, what's going on? Joe here. Got my first box of Geek Fuel for you. Yes, I've got another unboxing video for you here. And this one is Geek Fuel EXP. This is a quarterly subscription box. They used to be monthly, but they've since decided to go quarterly. And this is volume 1 of their new quarterly box here. Pretty good sized box too. This looks like it's going to have a lot of stuff in it to look through. And they say that every Geek Fuel EXP box is going to have at least $100 worth of geeky awesomeness in it for you. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside, shall we? Okay. Alright, first thing you get is a little card here, big card actually. Shows you everything that's in the box, so we'll just leave that alone here. Don't want any spoilers or anything. We'll come back to this later on if we need to identify what some of this stuff is that's in here. First thing that's in here, looks like we have, looks like we've got some pins from the Planet of the Apes. You can see that. So that's interesting. I've watched Planet of the Apes before. Good movie. Not real big into pins, but let's see what else is here. Okay, let's see what this is. Looks like, feels like t-shirt. Yep, looks like it's going to be a t-shirt. We'll open up this last and see what that is later on. Okay, we've got ourselves something here from Bob's Burgers, the cartoon show from Fox. Burger of the day, the Geek Now, or Fuel Abra, hold your peas burger. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Here's the back of the box here for you to check out. Oh, look at that. Looks like some kind of kitchen apron or barbecuing apron. I'll go for that. Barbecuing apron. Yep. For all your barbecue needs, here's an apron for you to wear. Let's see. Bob and his family on an apron. Now let me take a look at that. Alright. I've never really been much for Bob's Burgers. I've maybe seen it a few times. But let's see what else is next here. Okay, cool. We got ourselves one here for Marvel. Looks like maybe it might be Wolverine. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, tight. Oh, look at that. We've got ourselves a canvas print of Wolverine, the Wolverine #1 comic book. It's just a canvas print of the front cover. But that is pretty cool. I like that. That could definitely go up on the wall somewhere. Yeah, not too bad. I've always been a fan of Wolverine. Okay, next up is, looks like a vinyl figure from the Game of Thrones. Let's see how to open this. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice. Got ourselves a little vinyl figure of the Night King. One of the main bad guys from Game of Thrones. Yeah, he will be doing some bad things here in the final season of Game of Thrones coming up next year, I do believe. That's pretty cool looking though. Have to put him up on a shelf somewhere. Okay. And we've got ourselves, looks like maybe a pizza cutter. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Cowabunga pizza cutter. Let's see what that looks like. So much tape. On the other side too. Come on. Oh, that's kind of cool. I've never been much of a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles fan, but yeah, it's kind of cool looking. Meant to resemble a martial arts psi weapon with a pizza cutter there on the end, because those Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles do like their pizza. Not too bad. And looks like we've got a book in here. Star Wars, Chronicles of the Force. Discover the story of the Lego Star Wars galaxy. Okay. Just shows you that looks like it just shows you all the minifigures that Lego has put out for the Star Wars universe. Oh, not only the minifigures, but also all their Lego sets too that they put out for Star Wars. Not too bad. I'm a Lego fan myself. I do like Legos, and I'm a huge Star Wars fan. So this is just gonna be a good read later on. Okay, that was it. Now let's open up that T-shirt. Let's see what we have with that. Okay, and this is a Marvel licensed T-shirt, and everybody's favorite anti-hero, Deadpool, on the front of it. Check that out. Not too bad. I kind of like that. I do like Deadpool, and now I've got a T-shirt for him. A couple T-shirts actually for him. I've gotten a few other Deadpool T-shirts and a few other boxes that I've unboxed already. But looks like that is it for this quarter's edition of Geek Fuel EXP. That was volume 1 that I just opened up. So, next volume, looking forward to. Until then, folks, have yourselves a good one.